Hello everyone, Mike here, and I wanted to do a quick review slash tutorial on InVideo. So I actually hadn't heard of InVideo. One of their marketing reps reached out to me and basically wanted to see if I wanted to be an affiliate. So typically I don't respond to people that email me these type of requests, but I did actually check out their website, and I make a lot of Facebook ads, and typically they are texts, and I go to a site called Canva. If you ever made Facebook ads or any type of ads, you probably have used Canva. It's pretty awesome, and it's basically for pictures and text. So once I started to use InVideo, I realized how quickly it's basically the Canva for marketing videos opposed to text. So I ended up really liking it, and I told the marketing rep that I actually would like to be an affiliate. So I did become an affiliate, but it's only because I like their website. Even if I was an affiliate, I would use InVideo for sure. So I definitely recommend it. So here we are on the main page, right? So you have pre-made templates. Is one of the things I like about Canva is if you're making, say, a Facebook story, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook news feed is very popular. If you ever ran Facebook ads on Facebook news feed or any type of Facebook ads, you realize that video probably outperforms a lot of your text ads. So there's actually an article I want to show real quick. It shows like the highlights, key features of having a video ad. It says 92% of B2B prospects consume video. Over 4 billion videos are watched on YouTube, and you can actually create YouTube videos within InVideo. And then about 1/3 of shoppers will purchase a product after viewing a video ad. So videos are just much more effective. And as we go on, time goes by, people I think will consume less text, and it'll be more and more video as time goes on. So InVideo is really nice. It has a bunch of pre-made templates that you can use, so it's going to save you a lot of time and money depending on what you're trying to accomplish. So there's all types of categories here. You can make brand intros and outros, say for your YouTube channel or any type of promotion that you're trying to run, any type of video that you want to create. They most likely have a template. There's even wedding invitations, birthday invitations. So you can see it's preloading a lot of the samples here, right? It's got all types of product video ads. And this site is very user friendly. I've only been using it for a few days, and I already feel like I'm an expert because it's just so easy to understand. I feel like, in my opinion, if you tend to use a lot of websites, I think you would agree that it is pretty simple. So I'm going to show how we can make a Facebook ad very quickly, right? So one of the most popular, the main one that I run is Facebook news feed. So that one is selected. So we can go, say we wanted to make an ad for sunglasses or really just anything. You just kind of like this color, right? So you just click on it. You can do the dimension. So I'm going to do, let's do wide. Okay, and then use this template. So it's going to load the template, and this template is fully customizable. So we can change anything we want about it, right? So as you can see, the editor is over here, so we can add music, text, stickers. So we'll go in. Now these are pre-licensed music. So there's categories for the music, right? So you can select that and then select it, and then it'll play throughout this ad, right? You can change the text, you can customize it over here. So there's a lot of options. I mean, personally, you'll find that you only have to change minor things. Like if you generally say you just like this template because of the colors, you can just tweak it to your liking. Right? You can upload your own picture. Say you have a picture of yourself with, say, the sunglasses or whatever product you want to sell. Right? Typically, you want to have an offer for a Facebook ad or just any ad, some type of percentage off, whatever. So this is the type of thing that you would want to keep, and then how long the offer is valid for. So we could say stylish sunglasses, right? You can keep that. say we want to change this, and we want to do, say we look up sunglasses. So it does a little preview. So we click on it, and it'll show a little preview. So say we want to keep that. Say, okay, we like this one. So all we got to do is drag it over to this, and we can do replace or add as a layer. So we want to replace it, right? And then we're going to use the whole video. Right, and then we can do a preview. You can actually add a scene. So this is one scene. So we can preview just the scene by clicking that. So you can see close-up of his sunglasses. So it's pretty cool. And everything, you can just basically click on the change. So say we can click and then delete that, right? And then we can put, say we just want to put a sticker in there. So you can just search glasses. So yeah, say we want to put a little sunglasses, an actual sun. Put this little guy in there. Right, so if you click on this, you can also add effects. Well, if we click on that, let's do animation. Right, slide, change that, and then let's do a little preview of that. So as you can see, the little sunglasses guy changing. You can do word. So there's all types of animations we can do. All right, so it came in. Let's make it a little bit longer. Let's make it 3 seconds and see what that looks like. See, I like that better. It comes in a little bit slower. Okay, so there you go. And there's all types of effects and enhancers, shapes. So say you like this and this is good enough for you. All you have to do is click a preview. And then it'll show you the ad. Okay. And then also want to add the music. So that's in there. It should be selected. So that music doesn't necessarily fit this ad, but this is all just for educational purposes. So say you go ahead and you like this video, you're good, you want to export it. So all you do is click export. So it's going to go and export the video. So it'll show up in your projects section. All right, so it is processing, but if you go to your home page, if you are on your home page, you can click projects and then you'll have all your projects here. So you can actually change the name. So you can make this sunglasses FB ad, right? And then save the name. And then once it's processed, you actually get an email saying that it's done. You can download it from the email, or you can download or share directly from InVideo. So once it's done processing, go ahead and download it. So once it is processed, you'll get an email like this saying your video is ready, and this will also be available within your InVideo account and not just your email. So here we are in the InVideo account, and the video is ready for download. So you can share it directly to YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, because it doesn't have to just be an ad. You can post this on Facebook as just a post. So if you wanted to create a video for your company, you have a promotion, or you wanted to like birthday invitation or share a wedding invitation, you can just make this a post, because once you go in here and download it, so I'll allow that, and then you'll see it's downloading. So I downloaded the video, right? So now I can upload it anywhere, YouTube, Facebook, whatever, and it doesn't have to just be an ad. It can be whatever basically you choose. So if I open it up and I play, so there you go. It's ready to roll. So within minutes, you have a professional looking video, and you didn't have to hire anybody. You didn't have to get any video editors. Very simple, very user friendly. And there also is a live chat 24/7. So, and then the pricing, you can get 50% off. I'll drop the affiliate link in the description below. But if you do the yearly plan for business, it's only $120 for you pay that in full for the year, 50% off, or the unlimited plan, it would be $360 for the year. It's 50% off. And in general, the plans are basically the same. It's just with the unlimited, you do get unlimited HD video exports, and that is the main difference. And then also with the unlimited, there's over 1 million premium photos and videos. With the business, you just get 300 a month, and then unlimited is obviously unlimited. So that's the yearly plan, 50% off. And then the monthly is actually $20 a month for business. It's paid monthly, and then $60 a month for the unlimited plan. So if you go with the yearly plan, you save, it's half off, and really either plan is very affordable, just depending on what you're doing and how much content you're creating. If you do have a lot of content for your business or your clients, you most likely need to go with this one. But in a lot of cases, people just putting out decent amount of content, the business tier should suffice. So overall, it's a very nice service, very user friendly, and you can create videos very quickly and get them uploaded. And overall, I'm very impressed with it. I'll be using it. I use Canva all the time, and I'll definitely be using InVideo all the time as well. Thanks for watching. I want to say if you got help from this video, found it useful, please consider liking and subscribing and hitting that bell just in case you want to see videos in the future.